Good evening, everyone. My name is Sriyarsha. I'm team leader for Group 9 Challenge 3 Securing Payment System Messages of today. Our group is excited to present our approach to addressing the critical challenge of security payment and security management. This challenge has significant implications and requires a comprehensive solution that considers various perspectives. Today, we'll explore the challenge and solutions in securing these messages, ensuring the protection of our financial assets. Problem statement: the growing suffocating of cyber threats and increasing the adoption of digital payment systems have raised concerns about the vulnerabilities in security payments system managers. The potential for financial loss in the digital age due to various factors such as cyber attacks, economical fluctuations, and unforeseen events has become a critical concern for individuals. Maintaining and enhancing customer trust in an increasing and data-driven world is a paramount concern for business and organization. This problem statement aims to address the challenges surrounding the establishment and preservation of customer trust. Now we are going to discuss the solution of the problem. Data encrypted. Data encrypted, the implemented end-to-end encryptor for payment system messages, ensuring that data is encrypted at the sender's end and only decrypted at the intended receptor end. Employ state-of-the-art and algorithms like AES Advanced Encrypted Standard to protect payment. Now we are going to discuss about authorization messages, request and response, and settlement messages, confirmations which required is the solution for this problem. And clearing messages, request, confirmation. These different types of payment systems messages play a crucial role in authorization, settlement, and clearing process, ensuring the payments are secure, processed, and funds and transfer accurate, and transaction data is properly accounted for within this ecosystem. Malware and malicious code. Attackers can inject malware or malicious code into systems, payments, messages, potentially leading to data breaches and unauthorized access. Securing payment systems messages is not one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires continuous vigilance and adaptation to evolving threats. And the best practice for securing payment systems and messages is implementing strong authentication procedures, regularly monitoring and auditing system activities. Thank you.